He smells. He smells. Did you see squirrel?
Oh, look right there. Look at the squirrel. Look at the squirrel. Did you see it?
Yeah, he has it in his mouth. He's trying to run away. He has a cashew in his mouth. He dropped it.
Run away.
I think
Look, you think it? It's so cute. Oh, mama.
he looks like he's just like a little tiny human with a tail. He just go.
That's so cute. Look.
It takes him a while to wait. There's a peanut here, so he's gonna eat that. I'm gonna put the